Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 9. So, more or less the procedures in squaring two-digit numbers ending in 9 are just the same in squaring two-digit numbers ending in 7 and 8. So, the only difference here is that the constant number that we're going to use here is 8 instead of 4 and 6. So, let's start. Let's have first 29 squared. So, 29 squared, first digit is 2. So, we're going to have 20. Then, times the next digit of 2 is 3. Then, plus the constant number will be 8. Then, times 3. So, 20 times 3 is 60. Then, 8 times 3 is 24. So 60 plus 24 will be 84. So these are the first digits of your answer, and all of the numbers ending in 9, if we're going to square that numbers, the result will always be, or the last digit will always be 1. So first digit's 84, then last digit will be 1. So 29 squared is 841. Another example, let's have 59 squared. So first digit is 5, so we're going to have 50. So just add 0. Then times the next number, 6, plus the constant number, which is 8. Then times 6. 50 times 6 is 300. Then 8 times 6 is 48, so plus 48. 300 plus 48 is equal to 348. First digits 3, 4, 8. Then our last digit will be 1. So 59 squared is 3,481. Okay, next example, let's have 89 squared. So first digit is 8, so we're going to have 80 times the next number, 9, plus constant 8 times the next number, which is 9. So 80 times 9 is 720. Then 8 times 9 is 72. Add the 2, the result will be 792. First digit 792. Last digit will be 1. So the answer for 89 squared is 7,921. Okay, another example, let's have 69 squared. So first digit here is 6, so that will be 60 times the next digit, which is 7, plus constant number 8, then times 7. So 60 times 7 is 420. Then plus 8 times 7 is 56. Add the 2. So the result here will be 476. So first digits are 476. Then last digit will be 1. So 69 squared is 4,761. Okay, let's have our last example. Let's have 49 squared. So first digit is 4. So we're going to have here 40. Then times the next digit of 4 is 5. Then plus a constant, which is 8. Then times 5. 40 times 5 is 200. Then 8 times 5 is 40. 200 plus 40 will be 240. So your answer here will be 2,401. So again, this is a trick or process on how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 9. So again, just follow the steps here and you can solve that one mentally. So I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.